Hello children. So hello children, welcome to AIMS India's live class session. So from math subject, knowing our numbers topic we are going to continue today. So in the last class we learned about international system of numeration. So there we have compared the differences between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration that we have discussed. So today we are going to start another concept from the same chapter, and that is rounding off to given place. Rounding off to given place. So it's a new concept, and the concept name is rounding off to given place value, to given place value, because they may ask us to round off to tens place. They may ask us to round the given number to tens place or hundreds place or thousands place. So that's why here what we are telling, rounding off to given place value. So according to the question, we have to give the answer, because this rounding off concept depends on the place value. If they ask tens place, so then the answer will be different. If they ask hundreds place, then the answer will be different. So according to the question, we have to move forward. So we will come across so many situations in our real life where we have to round off the numbers. Round off the numbers. What is the another name for numbers? We call it as numeral. We call it as numeral. Numbers are numerals. So in this chapter, we will learn rounding off to nearest 10 and nearest 100. So here we are going to learn how to round off to nearest 10 or how to round off to nearest 100. So particularly these two topics we are going to cover. So next. So actually, place value. What is place value? Means suppose we have a number 7, 3, 4, 5. As per yesterday's class, what we have discussed, suppose if they ask what is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 3? What we have to tell? Units place, tens place, hundreds place. 3 is in hundreds place. So according to that position or according to that location, as it is in hundreds place, we have to multiply with 100. Its place value is 300. Its place value is 300. So here place value is a, like 300, it is a numerical value. Like 300, it is a numerical value that a digit has by virtue of its position. How 3 is getting the value of 300 here? Because of its position. Because of its position. So it is getting this numerical value because of its position. So for rounding off, for doing rounding off any given number, we have to know the place value of the digit first, or we have to know the digit's worth, the digit's value. So it is very important for rounding off the numbers. So this Concept is very easy. You can learn with the examples. No need to worry about this word rounding off. It's very easy topic. So next, suppose in real life scenario means situation. Scenario means situation, condition, like that. In real life scenario, you went to a shop and you want to buy an item worth 399 rupees, worth 399 rupees. But as you don't have exactly 399 rupees with you, what you will do? You will give 400 rupees to the shopkeeper. The item cost is 399 rupees. But what you have done? You have given 400 rupees to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper, he may say, he does not have the remaining 1 rupee change, because it is very common, because nowadays getting change, it is becoming very difficult. After demonetization, it's became still very difficult. So the shopkeeper, what he might have, he might say, there is no change 1 rupee. So what you will tell? Okay, let's keep 400 with you. Let's keep 400 with you. So like that you can tell. So then what happens? The item worth 399 rupees, but you have paid 400. Means you rounded off 399 to 400 rupees. So nearest 100. This is called rounding off. This is called rounding off. Okay. Means when you have 399, because there is no change, what you are going to do? You are rounding off 399 to 400 rupees, and the item cost, it became 400 rupees. In this kind of cases, we will come across rounding off concept. Rounding off concept. Okay. Let's see the example. So here, rounding off to nearest 10. Here our first concept is rounding off to nearest 10. Actually, yesterday I have told, but once again I am repeating. Rounding off to nearest 10. Okay. So here, so if we want to round off to nearest 10, what is the rule? Some rule we have to follow. One rule we have to follow. What is the rule means? In ones place, if we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have to round it down. What ma? We have to round it down. Okay. In ones place of the given digit, if we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we have to round it up. Then we have to round it up. This is very important. Suppose if I have 74 in units place, what I have? I have 4. So then what is the nearest 10 for 74? I have to round it down. Means I have to make it down. 73, 72, 71. What will come? 70 will come. Here in ones place, I should have 0, because 70 is the multiple of 10. 70 is the multiple of 10. So 74 rounded off to 70. Okay. 74 rounded off to 70. Or else, if I have 86, what is in units place? 6. If we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what we have to do? We have to round up. We have to round up. Means 86 after 87. Next 88. Next 89. Next what we will get? 90. What is the nearest 10? 90. So 86 rounded off to 90. 86 rounded off to 90. So like that we have to round it off. So let's see another example. Here also nearest to 10. Let's see this chart. Ma. Observe carefully. Let's round 23. What is the given number here? 23. Let's round 23 to what? To the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. Okay. So, what is the nearest 10? So, nearest 10 means the numbers that are multiples of 10. The numbers that are multiples of 10. You know, you might be knowing 10 table. 10 zeros are 0. 10 1 is 10 1 is 10. 10 2 is 10 2 is 20. Like this, in 10 table, whatever right hand side, whatever numbers you will come across, like 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, all these numbers are the nearest numbers, are multiples of 10. Okay. So what is the similarity here? All the multiples in one's place, they are having 0. In one's place, they are having 0. Now we have to find here what are the two nearest tens to 23. What are the two nearest tens to 23? Here we have 23. If on number line, if I write numbers from 18 to 31, where is 23? Here it is 23. Where is 20? Here. Where is 30? Here. Now observe the distance. What's nearest to 23 is 20 or 30, because we are having 20, 30 as multiples of tens. So the answer, it may be 20 or it may be 30. But 23 is nearer to what? 1, 2, 3. 3 places. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 3 places distance. Here 7 places distance. So 23 is nearer to 20. 23 is nearer to 20. So the answer is 20 is the nearest 10. So if suppose if anybody asks what is the nearest 10 to 23, what is the nearest 10 to 23? So then what should be your answer? Answer is 20. Answer is 20. So like that you have to tell, you have to guess the nearest 10. Let's see another example. Come on, guess the answer. What is the nearest 10 to 57? What is the nearest 10 to 57? Nearest 10 means what we have to write? We have to write multiples of 10. Multiples of 10. Like 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Where is 57? Where is 57? Between 50 and 60. Where is 57? Between 50 and 60. What is the distance between 50 and 57? What is the distance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the distance? 7 units. What about 60? 1, 2, 3. What is the distance? 3 units. What is the nearest one? 60 is the nearest one. 60 is the nearest one. Okay. So the answer is 60. Okay, now children, I am going to ask some questions. Try to give the answer. What is the nearest 10 to 52? No need of drawing chart like this. Simply you can tell the answer. What is the nearest 10 to 52? Through live chart you can give the answer. What is the nearest 10 to 52? Rashekar Reddy 50, Malati, Lalita, Sunita, Rashekar, everybody they gave answer 50. Anand 50, Vakul Kumar, Kadri Mohan Babu, Sukanya, everybody, very good, ma. Somebody is telling 52. 52 is the wrong answer. Somebody is telling 52 is the wrong answer. The nearest 10 to 52 is 50, because it is between 50 and 60. For this, only 2 places difference. For this, 8 places difference. So the answer is 50. So the answer is 50. Very good, ma. Next, what is the nearest 10 to 45? Come on, try to tell the answer. What is the nearest 10 to 45? What is the nearest 10 to 45? Come on, guess the answer. Somebody asking what is the nearest 10 to 75? Same model. First you tell what is the nearest 10 to 45. Rajshekhar, Sunita, everybody they are telling 50 again. Malati, she told 40. Mastanwali, he told 40. Kadiri Mohan Babu also told 40. 40 is wrong. 40 is wrong. Here the answer is 50. Already we have told. Already we have told. What we have told? What we have told? What is the rule here? What is the rule here? If we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in units place, we have to round up. We have to round up. We have to round up. So that's why. For 45, if they ask 45, the nearest 10 is 50. We have to round it up. We have to round it up. Somebody asked question 75. 75. As we have 5 in units place, we have to round it up. We have to round it up. We have to round it up. Okay. That is about nearest 10. That is about nearest 10. Okay, next. So next thing. Next mark. Rounding off a number to nearest 100. So already I have told rounding off. Rounding off is not same for all questions. In previous example, they have asked nearest 10. But here they are asking nearest 100. Nearest 100. So how to do this? What is the rule here? For nearest 100 also, same rule. But here we have to see the tens place. We have to see the tens place. If in tens place, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have to round it down. We have to round it down. If we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have to round it up. Round it up. So when they asked for nearest 100, which place you have to consider? Tens place. You have to observe the numbers which are in the tens place, not ones place. Okay. Next. Okay, let's see one example. Here. Let's see the number here. They have given 423. They have given 423. We have to make it rounded off to the nearest 100. What is the given number? 423. For rounding it off to nearest 100, what we have to see? We have to see the digit which is in the tens place. Digit which is in the tens place. Digit which is in the tens place. Okay. 423. 423. Next. So here, as they asked nearest hundreds, what we have to take? We have to take multiples of 100. We have to take multiples of 100. Like 100 zeros are 0, 101 is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Okay. So what you will observe in ones place and tens place, all numbers they are having zeros. So these are the nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. But where is 423? Between which two hundreds? 423 will be between 400 and 500. 423 will be between 400 and 500. Where is 423? Between 420 and 430. Between 420 and 430. Here 423 will be there. Here 423 will be there. Means between 400 and 500. So approximately what is the distance? Let's take from 420 because it is nearer to 420. 420 what we will take? 1, 2. 2 places. 2 places. Let's take from 420 here, this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 places. So what is the answer? 423 is nearer to 100. 400. Nearer to 400. Nearer to 400. Or directly we can tell what is in tens place? 2. Already we have told. If in tens place we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What we have to do? We have to round it down. We have to round it down. So directly we can write 400. So directly we can write 400. Okay. Let's see another example. Another example. So what is the given number here? 881. What is the given number? 881. 881 is the given number. 881 is the given number. Okay. Now, what are the nearest hundreds? Nearest hundreds means, don't get confused. We have to take multiples of 100. Nearest hundreds means we have to take multiples of 100. Answer will be any one of these multiple of 100. What are nearest hundreds? As the number is 881, we will write from 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100. What is common? Tens place, units place. Zeros are there. Zeros are there. Now where is 881? Where is 881? Between 880, 890. Between 880 and 890. Between 800 and 900. 800 and 900. Just by seeing you can tell. Nearer to 900. Nearer to 900. Farther to 800. So the answer is 900. Because only two, it is very near to 900. Far away to 800. So the answer is 900. So the answer is 900. What is the shortcut? What is the shortcut? In tens place what we have? 8. In tens place what we have? 8. If we have in tens place 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what we have to do? We have to round it up. We have to round it up. Means here we have to 0, keep 0. Here we have to keep 0. What will be the bigger number? 900. What is the answer? 900. What is the answer? 900. Okay. What is the answer? 900. So next. Okay. Now come on. Tell the answer. I am writing one number here. 1, 1, 1, 1. 2. Nearest 100. What is the answer? 111. 111 to nearest 100. How to write? 111 to nearest 100. Anybody? 111. What is the answer to nearest 100? Sukanya, Rajshekhar, Kadri Mohan Babu, Usharani, Amarnath Reddy, Rajshekhar, Yamini, Vakul Kumar, everybody. Very good, ma. They have given the answer 100. Very good. Okay, okay, okay. Now see, somebody, they have given the answer 110. Somebody they gave the answer 110. 110 is wrong. 110 is wrong because we are asking nearest 100. What we are asking? We are asking nearest 100. So the answer should be multiples of 100. The answer should be multiples of 100 because it is between 100 and 200, close to 100. 110 is wrong. 110 is wrong. Okay. Now, what is the now another number? What is the nearest 100 to 450? Come on, guess the answer. 450. What is the nearest 100 to 450? Nearest 100 to 450. Malati, Rajshekhar Reddy, Kadri Mohan Babu, Sukanya, Shiva, they are giving answers. So many of you giving the answers. Usharani, she has given both the answers. Usharani, she has given both the answers. She is wrong. She is wrong. What is the correct answer? Very good. Okay, ma, keep it up. 500 is the correct answer. Why? Because in tens place, we have 5. If we have in tens place 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if we have in tens place, we have to round it up. We have to round it up. So 500 is the right answer. 500 is the right answer. If they give 440, so then in units place we have 4. If we have in units place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then you have to round down. So then 400 is the right answer. For 440, 400 is the right answer. But for 450, 500 is the right answer. 500 is the right answer. Okay. This is about rounding off. This is about rounding off to nearest 100 and nearest 10. Nearest 100 and nearest 10. Okay. Next. Very good, ma. Thank you for participating in live chat. So if the answer is wrong, no need to worry. You can find out the right answer because we have to appreciate as you are giving answer. By giving answer only, you can identify whether you are doing mistake or you are doing correct. So you can rectify your mistakes. So don't hesitate for giving answers. You can give the answers. They may be wrong, they may be correct. You have to give the answer. So okay, next about Roman numerals. So actually up to now we learnt about Hindu Arabic number system and international number system, where in Hindu Arabic number system you have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores, arabs. Whereas international system, after thousands, we have millions, billions, trillions. Like that we discussed about two types of number systems. But the ancient Romans, they used a special method for showing the numbers. That system is called as Roman numerals. That system is called as Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, instead of 5, they used to mention with the V symbol. V symbol. Instead of 9, they represent it as IX. They represent it as IX. Like this, Roman people, ancient Roman people, they used different kind of numbers for representing our numbers. We call that system as Roman number system or Roman numeral system. Actually, where do we come across this Roman numerals? Do you have any idea? In nowadays also, we are making use of Roman numerals. Can you guess? Can you guess where do we use that Roman numerals? Where do we make use of this Roman numerals nowadays? Anybody? Any guess? In wall clocks. If you observe the wall clock or some of the wristwatches, there we will come across Roman numerals on the dial, on the wall clock dial, Very good, Kadri Mohan Babu. He told question paper. He gave the answer question paper. Very good, man. Because in the question paper, Roman number 1, section 1, section 2, section 3, like that, you will be having the Roman numerals. Very good answer by Mohan Babu. In question paper, we will come across Roman numerals on wall clocks. Somebody told wall clock. Or for mentioning class names, 6th grade, on some books, it will be printed 6th grade, 6th class, like that. There also we will come across Roman numerals. Or in some cities, in some Roman cities, for on the buildings also they make use of this Roman numerals. So today we are going to study about that Roman numerals. So actually, this Roman numerals are based on the following symbols. The Roman symbols or Roman numerals mainly based on these following symbols, where in Hindu-Arabic number system, 1 is there, means in Roman system it is represented by I. 5 is represented by V. 10 is represented by X. 50 is represented by L. 100 is represented by C. 500 is represented by D. 1000 is represented by M. These are the basic symbols of Roman numeral system. Basing on these symbols, they will write all kinds of other numbers. Actually, in our Hindu-Arabic number system, we have 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 up to 9. With this 10 digits, we can write any number. In the same way, in Roman system also, we have some basic symbols. With these basic symbols, we can write any number. Okay. So once again, 1 stands for I, 5 stands for 5 will be denoted by V, 10 is denoted by X, 50 by L, 100 by C, 500 by D, 1000 by M. So let's see some basic combinations. With that basic symbols only, all these numbers can be written. Already you have learnt about Roman numerals in your earlier classes. Okay. 1 means 1 eye. 2 means 2 eyes. 3 means 3 eyes. 4 means from the 5 symbol 1 to be subtracted. So that's why they have written IV. For 5, they represent with V. 6 VI, 7 V double I, 8 V triple I, 9 from the X I to be subtracted. From the X I to be subtracted. Y means X stands for 10. What is 9? What is 9 here? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. As we are doing subtraction, this one symbol I to be written here, this 10 symbol X to be written here. X to be written here. So that's why 9 is written as IX. This 4 also. What is the meaning of 4? 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. So this we are doing subtraction here. So that's why this 1 I will be written here. This 5 will be written here. IV stands for 4. IV stands for 4. If they write like this, bigger number after smaller number. So then what we have to do? We have to add 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Or if they give like this, X I. First, X is the biggest number. Biggest number after we are having smaller numbers. So then we have to add 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is equal to 13. That is equal to 13. Okay. When smaller number written first, bigger number written after. So then what we have to do? We have to subtract. From what? Bigger number to smaller number. Bigger number to smaller number, we have to subtract. Once again, children, I am repeating. Please listen carefully. If they write IX, what is the value of I? I value is 1. What is the value of X? X value is 10. What is coming first? Smaller number is coming first. So then what we have to do? We have to subtract. How? Bigger number to smaller number. We have to subtract. So this value is 9. If they give like this, X is bigger number after smaller number. So then what we have to do? We have to add both. 10 plus 1. What is its value? 11. What is its value? 11. Okay. What is its value? 11. Okay. Now, in the same way, 10, 20, 30, 40 means, what is 40? 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. For 10, X is written here. For 50, L is written here. As subtraction is there, smaller number first, then bigger number. Okay. Next, L stands for 50. LX stands for 60. Like this. 90 means XC. 100 means C. 500 stands for D. 500 stands for D. What is 400? From 500, 100 to be subtracted. So CD. Like this, CM. So with the basic symbols, we can form all the numbers. Okay, while doing problems, we can solve so many kinds of problems. It is only basics only. With the basic symbols, we can write all these numbers. Here, we have to follow some rules. For forming Roman numerals, we have to follow some rules. Here, when a symbol appears after a larger, appears after a larger or equal. So then it should be added. So means when a Roman symbol appears after larger. Suppose if you take VI, VI, V is the larger. V is the larger. After that we are having I. After that we are having I. So after larger number we are having I. So what we have to do? We have to add. We have to add both the symbols. So answer is 6. See second example. LXX. LXX. So what is L? L value is 50. X value is 10. X value is 10. So after larger number, we are having smaller numbers. Both are equal. This is larger number. These are smaller numbers. But both are equal. So then what we have to do? Add. We have to add all. We have to add all. So the answer is 70. So the answer is 70. Come on. Write the answer for 80. What is the Roman symbol for 80? Come on, guess the answer. What is the Roman symbol for 80? Somebody written L triple X. Rajshekhar has written L triple X. Somebody written only right, only 8, wrong answer. Okay. What is the answer for 80? Very good. L triple X. L triple X is the answer for 80. L triple X is the answer for 80. Somebody is telling CXS. CXX. It is wrong because addition can be done many times. Addition can be done many times, but subtraction cannot be done many times. Subtraction cannot be done many times. That is wrong. Okay. So next. What is the second rule? When a symbol appears before a larger number, actually here we got I symbol after larger number. After larger number, so that's why we are adding. But here, where is I symbol? Before larger number. Before larger number. So we have to subtract. We have to subtract. Answer is 4. Here also before larger number. Answer is 9. So answer is 9. So next. One more thing. Same symbol cannot be added 3 times. Same symbol cannot be added 3 times. 3 times. This like this. Here 4 times they have written, which is wrong. Which is wrong. So we should not add more than 3 times. Here what we are telling, for 8 means what we are telling, 1, 2, 3. Already 3 times we have added. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Already 3 times we have added. We got 8. Why? If we write like this, what is this value? 9. Because 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. But here I how many times added? 4 times added. So that's why this is wrong. Only 3 times only we can add. So that's why for writing 9, what we have done? For writing 9, we have written 10 minus 1. Ix we have written. Ix we have written. Y means we cannot add I 4 times. We cannot add I 4 times. So that's why in the form of subtraction we have written 9. Okay. Okay, I will continue the topic in next class. In next class also regarding this Roman numbers only we are going to continue the topic. Okay. So, okay children, if you want to revise the class through this video, go to our website. There you will find the recorded video of this live session. So, thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. So, here you will find the symbol. If you go here subscribe symbol is there. You can press that. Automatically it will be subscribed. Channel will be subscribed.